So in this we'll be discussing about two types of methods. One is counter type method. This counter type method, and second one is successive approximation method. Okay. Basically, here we use counter. We use counter here. Here we use register. So before going to deep analysis of this counter type and successive approximation type, we have to know what is the difference between counter and register. Okay. What is the difference between counter and register? Counter, register. Okay. So both are sequential circuits. So both are memory circuits. Both are sequential circuits. Both are memory circuits. It means that they can store the data. Okay. Depending upon type of flip flops you have. If you have 4 flip flops, it will store 4-bit data. Then what is the fundamental difference between counter and register? We have learned in digital electronics. What is the difference between counter and register? So counter is always starts from 0. I mean the default value is 0 and it keeps on moving from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't stop at any mid value. Whenever you start this counter, it starts at 0 value and it starts counting to 0 to any number of bits of any. So for example, if you have 4 bits, what is it? It becomes 2 power n minus 4, it can calculate. Isn't it? So counter is also memory, but it starts from 0 to 0, 0, 0 and it goes till 2 power n minus 1, where it is number of bits. What about register? Register is also memory device, but it doesn't start at 0, 0 and it never ends at 2 power n minus 1. Whatever value you give it, it will store it. If you give clock, it will change that storage. I mean, it can start from 1100 also, it can start from 1001 also, because it is just a memory device. Like whatever memory you have, the mobile on the memory card, whatever data you give it, it will store it. That's it. If you give clock pulse, it will change the storage data. Whereas counter is also storage data, but it always starts with 0. If one more clock pulse comes, it will move from 0 to 1. One more clock pulse comes, it goes to 2. So it always goes sequentially. Whereas register is, if it stores 1100, if you give clock, it will wait for the data to get stored there. And మీరు ఏమి ఇస్తారని వెయిట్ చేస్తారు, అది తీసుకెళ్ళి అక్కడ స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటారు. Whenever clock again changes, it will wait for the data to store it. So based on depending upon the clock, it stores the data. That's it. Isn't it? Like it's like simply. ఇప్పుడు ఈ క్లాస్ లో అనుకోండి, నేను ఒక ఇద్దరిని పిలిచాలనుకోండి, ఎవరో ఒకరు లేసారా అన్నాను అనుకోండి, దట్ కాన్సిడర్ రిజిస్టర్. ఇఫ్ సే ఇట్స్ కౌంటర్, ఇద్దరు రాండి అంటే ఎప్పుడు రావాలన్నా కూడా పిన్ నెంబర్ వైజ్ రావాలి, బట్ ఫస్ట్ నుంచే రావాలి. 10 మంది రాండి అంటే కూడా 10 పిన్లే రావాలి, అంటే ర్యాండంగా ఆ లాస్ట్ వరకు అవకాశం ఉండదు. సో ఒక్కొక్కటి పిన్ నెంబర్ వైజే రావాల్సి వస్తుంది. వేరేది అక్కడ క్లాక్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడల్లా ర్యాండంగా తీసుకోవచ్చు. వాట్ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్ రిజిస్టర్కి. సో both combinating sequential circuits. What is sequential means? Memory circuits. Next, both are clock dependent. Clock comes, data changes. Fine. Next, the building blocks of any of this A to D converters. The building blocks is, first one is we need an AND gate. I'll tell you why we need AND gate. Then we need a clock. You know why we require clock? Clock and this guy. Next, we need either register or counter. Either or kavali, because it stores the data in digital form లో స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటది. Okay, what is this actually? A to ADC converter. ఎలా డేటాని డిజిటల్ లో తీసుకోవాలి. బట్ ఇక్కడ ఎలా స్టోర్ అవుతుంది? కౌంటర్స్ లో డిజిటల్ స్టోర్ అవుతుంది. దట్స్ వై we have to move it to usage digital to analog converter. So these are the four fundamental things that are required, and to control this we require a controller. Controller is to control. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఒక 10 మందిని కౌంట్ చేశాను, మళ్ళీ రీసెట్ చేయాలి కదా అని, అంటే జీరోతో స్టార్ట్ చేయాలనుకో. సో వీ నీడ్ ఏ కంట్రోలర్, ఎక్స్ట్రా కంట్రోలర్. ఆ కంట్రోలర్ విల్ కంట్రోల్ దిస్. ఓకే, సో అండికేట్ అనేది ఎందుకంటే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ క్లాక్ వచ్చిందా లేదా క్లాక్ చెక్ చేసుకొని అవుట్పుట్ ఇవ్వాలా లేదా అని డిసైడ్ చేయడానికి, అంటే క్లాక్ చూసుకోవాలి, డేటా వచ్చిందా లేదా రెండు చూసుకోవాలి, క్లాక్ డేటా. సో అండికేటెడ్ బిహేవియర్ ఏంటి ఇప్పుడు? వాట్ ఇస్ అండికేట్? If both comes, both is 1, it is 1. Otherwise it is 0. If there is no data, so output will 0. If there is no clock, output is 0. If both come, there is a data and if there is a clock, then only output is 1. That is the behavior of AND-gate. That's why we are using AND-gate. What is a clock? It's a generator which generates clock pulses. Next, what is digital counter? It's a memory device that stores data in digital form. Next, it is digital to analog converter which converts digital data to analog. And last we have controller, and extra we use comparator. Why you use comparator? You'll see. What is comparator behavior? What is comparator behavior? We have plus minus. Okay. So if we have data here, A is data B. A is greater than B. A is greater than B. Positive data is greater than negative data. What is the output? Output is 1. If A is less than data B, output is 0. So this is the behavior of comparator. Is that fine? Is that clear? Anni meeku telisina ivani. Okay? Right.